We are opening a Thredup rescue box today, a fun box, which is one of my favorite ones to do. And this one is from Phoenix, Arizona. This is one of the boxes that I ordered just prior to the shipping charges that they started to implement. So it is pretty recent. I will not be ordering any more fun boxes unless there's free shipping, which right now there is a code cool off on the Thredup website that you can use for free shipping on the boxes. So I did actually order one today when they came up. So I will have another fun box on the way, but I still have a stockpile of boxes to get through. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming. My name is Christina and I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and The RealReal. Love unboxings. And for those of you who are joining me again, thank you so much. And hopefully this is actually a fun box. All right, let's see. Yes. End of June, fun box. All right, I'm going to give you guys a peek. I meant to cut the tape before I started filming, but you know, I didn't. So sorry about that. Takes an extra second when I have to cut the tape. You can kind of get a look off the top. Looks like we have a good mix of stuff. And if you like unboxings, make sure to consider subscribing to the channel. I do them every week. The first item we have is a Clinique makeup bag, and look how cute this is. It's got little fireworks. And I don't actually typically resell these. I will just keep this for my own personal use. Little makeup bag, but it is new with the tags. So I'm happy about that. And even though I already gave you guys a peek, I'm just going to show you, we have like a little Christmas theme going off on the top. So it's kind of like Christmas in July, right? All right, so let's go with this one. I'm intrigued by this in this little bag. It looks, well, first of all, this model, she's got a very nice physique. She's showing off this little pajama set. It says 2-piece pajama set. It's a top and boy shorts. And it is new. What brand does this say? I don't know, you guys. I mean, I can read cursive, but Mapali? I don't know. But look how adorable these are. They're in a size medium. They're a little transparent. These are shorts. Definitely boy shorts. And let's see. Oh my gosh, the top is so cute. I don't want to unfold it because it's folded really nicely. But look, it's got a little V-neck with little heart buttons attached on one side. And then the white trim on the other side. You can kind of see how she's posing there. How adorable. I love this. I just love Christmas, you guys. I collect ornaments. I'm a big nerd when it comes to stuff like that. And actually, Hallmark had their ornament premiere, was it last weekend? I don't know. And I was waiting outside in the line because there are certain ornaments I wanted to get that they have limited quantities of. And I thought, this is one of the few places that I wait in line for. Ornament premiere, thrift shop sometimes, and Disney World. That's pretty much it. I guess also security line at the airport. But yeah, I waited in a line. And by the way, I won an ornament. I was so excited. I entered a little drawing. They called me. I won an ornament. So I have to go pick that up. Okay. Sorry, I digress. Next, another Christmas item. And this is an A size small. It's very soft by the brand Sweet Treasures. So we're also new with tags on this. And you've got a like Christmas plaid jogger. And it's fuzzy. They're so soft. Although it smells like perfume. But it does have the tags on it. So maybe somebody who wore a lot of perfume tried them on and then took them off. But that is so fun. I have a bag that I keep in my reselling closet, a huge Christmas bag, and I put all the like Christmas stuff in it to list a little bit later into the year. And it's already starting to get full. So that means it's probably about time to start listing. Okay, so next item, we have a belt, and this one's kind of in a beige color. And I feel like I've gotten one of these before. It's got the intertwined circles, kind of like, I think it's supposed to look like Gucci, but it's not. And this will probably be something I donate. The rubber band that they put around it did a lot of damage, and it's not real leather or anything, so I will probably donate this back. Although it's in good condition, I just wish that they wouldn't have put that rubber band so tight around it, because it's really pretty severely indented on both sides. So, okay, so we got a belt. Let me give you another view. There's like a whole nother layer going on here. And I will say, when I picked up this box from the stack, I kind of didn't think it was a fun box, because I feel like the fun boxes typically are kind of lightweight. And this one's pretty heavy. So I thought maybe it was a designer box, but the way you can tell the difference if your receipt's not sticking out the side, which mine are a lot, is by the color sticker on the outside of the box. The fun boxes have the purple. Okay, so we've got some sashes, and these say Bride. My goodness, how many are there? I mean, I could open like an Amazon store with all these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my, there's 5 Bride. Well, there's 2 different ones. I'm sorry, I'm very confused by this. And they're like taped together, so it's hard to see. Okay, let's see if I can pull one of these out. Here we go. This one, so it says Bride, like this. It's like a sash you wear. I'm wondering if it says Bride to Be. I may have to open one of these. And then there's another one in like a blue that also says Bride on it. So there are multiples. If there was just one of these thrown in, I probably wouldn't list this, but because there are 5 of each in here, I will, and they're new, I'm going to go ahead and list them because it'll be super easy and I can just put multiples. So I will list those. Next, looks like we have more PJs. This says Max Lace Nightie. The color is lilac. Oh, and this is a plus size. Great. This is in a 22, 24. I'm not sure if Max is the brand or what. So let's see what the other side of the tag says. Okay, it's by the brand Avenue. You can see that there. So that's great. We've got a new with tags. So we're doing good with the new with tags. 90. Okay, next up, we have a bag. Looks like there's 2 bags in here. I've been getting a lot more bags lately. Look at this. This looks great. Obviously feels like faux leather. It's got this really pretty tie across the top and like this gold tone dangle here. Magnetic snap. And look at the interior of that. It's really pretty striped. You got a zipper pocket and then a slip pocket on this side and then a zipper top. And this is in a really pretty blue. It is pre-owned. I do see just slight wear on the corners. But the inside is super clean. Let's see if there's a branding tag in here. There is not. And then on the back of the bag, you've got another zipper pocket with the same material. So that is really cute. I will definitely list that. It's in great shape. And hopefully somebody will buy that and use it. We have a little item of jewelry here. Let's see, is this a bracelet? Yeah, look, we've got a sweet little charm bracelet. There is some wear to it. Look at that. It's got all these little dangles, heart, flowers. On the back, there's like the backs of them have designs also. So let's see what these say. Bloom from within. Oh my gosh, how sweet is this? Grow. Oh my goodness, this is so sweet. And then the big heart says nothing. The big heart just has designs around it. I thought it was something. Oh no, it does say something. Bloom from within. Okay, really tiny there in the flower. So look how adorable that is. I don't see any obvious branding. The clasp is a little lobster clasp with a heart. And I don't see anything. This reminds me of like Brighton, but I don't see anything that says that. That is really sweet. I'll have to Google Lens it and see if anything pops up. Last two items, and then we'll count them. I'm not sure how many I got. We got another bag. Again, it looks like it's in great shape. Also feels like a faux leather. A zipper pocket on the outside with polka dots on the inside. And then same material there on the inside. You have the zipper pocket and the slip pocket. And then the other side, look at this. You've got these two zippered pockets in this crossbody, which is like a tan color. You've got the little feet on the bottom. Let me see if I see a tag by chance in here. It's very clean. I would say both of these bags are in excellent, excellent condition. Nothing on that side. No, it doesn't tell me anything. There's not even an RN number where I can try to look it up. But this is in great shape, so I will try listing this one also. Definitely somebody can use that. Okay, last item, yes, is a like toiletry bag by Nautica. It's even still got the foam wrapper around the hook. Let's see. Oh, there's a tag. It says the style name is the original hanging case, and like the color or the material print is called roped plaid, and the tag says that the MSRP on this was $55, so that's great. Look at this. Maybe this will sell well as people are going off to college and maybe need different things like this. That is wonderful. Look at that. How exciting. I think overall this was a great fun box. So let's see how many items I got. The toiletry case was 1. This bracelet for 2. Belt for 3. Bag number 4. Oops. Bag number 5. Pajamas for 6. I mean, these bride sashes, that's wild. 7. Pants 8. Christmas PJs 9. And the makeup bag 10. So I got exactly 10 items. Again, this box was from Phoenix, Arizona. Let me know what you guys think. I was happy to get some Christmas items. I love when I get sleepwear in these boxes. I feel like sleepwear tends to do pretty well for me, and they were both new with tags. The bride sashes are hilarious, and I'm gonna list them because there's a lot of them. And I mean, the bags are unbranded, but they're really cute and they're in good shape. So I'm gonna try it out, list them, and see what happens. If there's anything in this box that you're interested in purchasing, just reach out to me at stinaresells@gmail.com. I'm happy to sell it to you directly, or I will get these up in my Poshmark and eBay closet soon. Thanks so much for joining me. I will be back again on Thursday with another rescue box unboxing. Join me then. Bye, y'all.